Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on banking and insurance. This is part 4. Now come to the questions. 1. When an endorser merely signs his name on the back of the instrument without specifying the name of the person to whom the instrument is endorsed is called dash a blank endorsement, B. Full endorsement, C. Conditional endorsement, D. Facultative endorsement. Correct option is A. Blank endorsement. To when an endorser not only signs his name on the back of the instrument but also specifies the name of the person to whom the instrument is endorsed is called dash A. Blank endorsement, B. Conditional endorsement, C. Full endorsement, D. Partial endorsement. Correct option is C. Full endorsement. 3. Dash is an endorsement in which some of the rights of the endorser are waived. A. Restrictive endorsement, B. Special endorsement, C. Facultative endorsement, or D. Qualified endorsement. Correct option is C. Facultative endorsement. 4. Dash is an endorsement which limits the liability of the endorser. A. Sans resource endorsement, B. Sans phrase endorsement, C. Partial, or D. Per pro endorsement. Correct option is A. Sans recourse endorsement. 5. In sans phrase endorsement, the word sans phrase means that dash A. Without name, B. Without expense, C. Without money, D. Without consent. Correct option is B. Without expense. 6. Dash endorsement is an endorsement made by an authorized person on behalf of another. A. Partial endorsement, B. Restrictive endorsement, C. Per pro endorsement, D. Sans recourse endorsement. Correct option is C. Per pro endorsement. 7. Dash is a copy of a customer's account in the bank's ledger. A. Cash book, B. Passbook, C. Checkbook, D. Pay-in slip. Correct option is B. Passbook. 8. PMJDY stands for, correct option is A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. 9. In which types of banking system several banks join hands with each other for meeting the credit requirements of the large borrower? A. Group banking, B. Consortium banking, C. Net banking, D. None. Correct option is B. Consortium banking. 10. The practice of conducting banking transactions from home rather than at bank branches by means of electronic telecommunication known as A. Branch banking, B. Group banking, C. Chain banking, D. Home banking. Correct option is D. Home banking. 11. Risk is the chance of dash A. Peril, B. Accident, C. Loss, D. Event. Correct option is C. Loss. 12. Peril may lead to dash A. Risk, B. Losses, C. Accident, D. None. Correct option is B. Losses. 13. Risk is dash loss, A. Similar, B. Not, C. Same as, D. None. Correct option is B. Not. 14. Particular risk can also be known as dash A. Personal, B. Fundamental, C. Pure, D. None. Correct option is A. Personal. 15. If losses occur out of individual events, such risks are dash A. Particular, B. Fundamental, C. Pure, D. Speculative. Correct option is A. Particular. 16. A dash risk may result in loss or gain. A. Particular, B. Fundamental, C. Pure, D. Speculative. Correct option is D. Speculative. 17. Dash are those occurring due to economic policies of the government. A. Particular, B. Fundamental, C. Dynamic, D. Speculative. Correct option is C. Dynamic. 18. Dash risks are those occurring even if there is no change in economic policies of the government. A. Static, B. Fundamental, C. Dynamic, D. Speculative. Correct option is A. Static. 19. When financial loss is likely to occur, such risk is known as dash A. Static, B. Financial, C. Dynamic, D. Speculative. Correct option is B. Financial. 20. Thus, guarantee insurance guarantees the employer for any damages or losses resulting from dishonesty of employee. A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. B. Cash in transit insurance. C. Social insurance. D. Unemployment insurance. Correct option is A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. 21. Dash insurance is given financial help to unemployed persons who lost employment due to some uncontrollable reasons. A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. B. Cash in transit insurance. C. Social insurance. D. Unemployment insurance. Correct option is D. Unemployment insurance. 22. Dash insurance compensates the insured against loss of money while it is being carried from office to bank or bank to office or branch. A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. B. Cash in transit insurance. C. Social insurance. D. Unemployment insurance. Correct option is B. Cash in transit insurance. 23. Dash is popular among industrial workers. A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. B. Cash in transit insurance. C. Social insurance. D. Unemployment insurance. Correct option is C. Social insurance. 24. Dash means insurance of all the members of a group as a social security measure. A. Fidelity guarantee insurance. B. Cash in transit insurance. C. Social insurance. D. Unemployment insurance. Correct option is C. Social insurance. 25. Dash is a method of transferring a portion of risk to another insurer. A. Reinsurance. B. Underinsurance. C. Double insurance. D. None. Correct option is A. Reinsurance. Dash is essential for the contracting parties to disclose all material facts relating to the contract. A. Utmost good faith. B. Insurable interest. C. Certainty of the event. D. None. Correct option is A. Utmost good faith. 27. Dash is the interest in the subject matter of the insurance which is insured. A. Utmost good faith. B. Insurable interest. C. Certainty of the event. D. None. Correct option is B. Insurable interest. 28. Insurance is a contract of dash. A. Indemnity. B. Surety. C. Guarantee. D. None. Correct option is A. Indemnity. 29. Principle of dash refers to the sharing of loss among co-insurers. A. Indemnity. B. Guarantee. C. Contribution. D. None. Correct option is C. Contribution. 30. According to the principle of dash, the insurer is liable only for those losses which are most closely caused by the peril insured against. A. Contribution. B. Guarantee. C. Causa proxima. D. Indemnity. Correct option is C. Causa proxima. This was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.